Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize SEO strategies with Google Ads, full guide step by step clearly. To optimize your SEO strategies with Google Ads, start by understanding your target audience. Conduct thorough keyword research using tools like Google Keyword Planner. Identify keywords that are relevant to your business and have a balanced search volume and competition level. Create compelling ad copy that incorporates these keywords naturally. Set up targeted campaigns in Google Ads focused on specific products or services. Use ad extensions to provide additional information and improve your ads' visibility. Track the performance of your ads to see which keywords drive the most traffic. Analyze this data to refine your SEO strategy, focusing on high-performing keywords. Implement on-page SEO techniques by including these keywords in your website content. Optimize meta titles and descriptions to reflect the targeted keywords effectively. Utilize A/B testing for your Google Ads to identify which ads perform better. Incorporate insights from your Google Ads into your organic search strategies. Regularly review and adjust your Google Ads budget to ensure optimal ad placement. Utilize remarketing campaigns to reach visitors who have previously engaged with your site. Monitor your landing page performance to ensure a seamless user experience. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly to enhance user engagement and reduce bounce rates. Leverage Google Analytics to monitor traffic sources and user behavior on your site. Use this data to continually refine both your Google Ads and SEO strategies. Stay updated on Google's SEO and advertising guidelines to ensure compliance. Consider collaborating with SEO experts to gain deeper insights. Ultimately, integrating Google Ads with your SEO efforts can lead to improved visibility and higher conversion rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.